a s'more, you must have 2 graham crackers, a marshmallow that's hopefully not frozen, and this piece of chocolate, which we got out of the church refrigerator. And now we're going to attempt to make this in the microwave. Hope it works.
Let's see it. Hold on, hold on.
Kind of malfunctioned because the marshmallow is kind of malfunctioned. And if this explodes, please remember me in heaven. Do you know how to work this thing?
Okay, hold on.
Okay, let's try.
How long do you want?
Probably like 10. So. Oh, he's going.
No, I'm kidding.
George is in there. Oh! He exploded. Okay, well,
I told you it would
I do have some more, but George is stuck.
I told you it would explode. Oh my word. You get to clean up the mess, okay? Because I already cleaned the
Okay, it
kitchen.
should be easy as long as George sticks to this.
Let's see. Now I'm gonna try and taste that. Oh my!
If I can get it out of the paper towel. It's stuck.
Okay, let's see it.
I don't know if this is gonna be healthy. Well, tastes good. The end.
And we actually made coffee. That's
We
black.
tried. We tried. It's black.
Usually our coffee isn't black. It's water.
I'm gonna do this again and try not to explode the marshmallow this time.
Thank you for watching. See you next time if we're still alive.